Hey guys, so start of a new vlog. How you guys doing? I'm currently at Marriott. I came here to work. I saw some clients in Keja, so I said it's still early, let me just come here and work. I'm currently editing a YouTube video and also doing a lot of work. My manager is in front of me looking. I don't know why he's blushing, but if you're from TikTok, I'm very sure that you know the best manager. I'll show you guys his face in a few. But yeah, so I'm just here. It's actually a really nice environment. Yeah, let me just get back to work. So this is Mr. Odeme, best manager in town. That's why his head will start swelling. But if there's anybody in this life that cannot stress himself about anything, this man right here. He cannot stress for anything. Like nobody can stress him in this life. Say hello. Say hello now. So I'm back home. It's quite late. It's actually around 8. My neighbor makes food, so I got some food from him, and it's like fresh, like freshly made, and this food tastes bomb. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but yeah, once I have this, do some editing. That's literally all I have to do, and I'm going to bed. This week I've been sleeping by 12, and I can't continue like this. So I want to sleep early. Not even 2. I'll be sleeping like around 1, 2, editing and stuff. But I'm already done with the YouTube video that I was editing, so that should be up by the time this vlog is up. Yeah, so I'm just going to eat, watch a Netflix movie as I do that, and yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm excited because I'm already tired for the week. I'm going to work. This is my outfit for the day. I look cute. I actually feel cute. Yeah, so this is my outfit for today. I think I have a couple of supplies I need to do on the island, and that's about it for Tally. That's my cat, by the way. That's about it for the day for me, and the weekend begins. I don't know what I have planned for the weekend, but we'll just roll with it. But yeah, this is how we're looking today. So yeah, let's go to work. Finally at work, and this is our sis. Where is your head? This is our sis Sheum Olufumilayo. Our sis, actually. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my manager to come so I can get what I need to get and then leave. Why is that? By the way, guys, I actually like her dress. I think I need more casual stuff like this for Friday. It's just nice, but this is our sis. Morning. This is our sis. She always gives us back to back. Guys, see your fave, oh. See your fave. I'm asking him why he's looking so good today. He said he has plans. Sadame, what's your plans for this weekend? Let me even give you guys a full view of his outfits. Wow. What's your plan for today? Want to go and do something?
Yes, I got plans. It's Friday.
It's Friday, you know.
Friday night.
Ah.
You can't waste it.
Remember me your plans, Alex.
Yeah, please come along, please.
Where are you going to?
You must see, I don't know, I'll give you Jesus.
You guys, this is Mercy. Mercy, say hello. Baby, what? So I'm currently at Bobogiri. It's in Ikoyi. I'm chilling for like a work friend. So I'm just waiting for him. So I'm waiting for him to get my drink. But the place is like a very cool vibe thing. Has the paintings like really Afrocentric and all of that. But yeah, that's okay. Thank you. Yeah, that's the vibe of this whole place. Yeah, it's Friday. What else is there to do? I've done my delivery and work is over, like officially over for the day. Officially, unofficially, it's over. Period. I got the strawberry something something something, but it's alcoholic. I think I have to mix it because the stuff was really really sweet when I took the first sip, but apparently it's not just at the bottom, it's actually like extremely sweet. I love sweet things, like I have an extreme sweet tooth, but this is sweet. This is like taking that concentrated ribena. If you know, you know. It's really just with like a hint of alcohol. Like, come on, it's Friday, give me something stronger. Thank you. Yeah, that's more like it. So I told the lady that it was actually really sweet. I was more sweet than alcoholic, and she actually topped it with alcohol. I hope I'll use my head to walk home because, oh yeah, this is more like it. It's still sweet, but yeah, I can also taste like the alcohol in it. Do you understand? Yeah, this is way better. You guys, I just wanted to come on here and say something quickly. So at the start of this year, I was on 3,900 followers. That was how I even created my rate card / media kit. I had 3.9k followers, and I don't know, somebody now asked me for my rate card this year. Oh no, this month, I think this week actually, asked me for my rate card. I went back to look at that rate card. I looked at my current follower count and it was at 4.5. Like, this is in the space of 2 months. My growth on Instagram has been astronomical, you guys. Not even just Instagram, TikTok, it was really just amazing. Now let me even tell you why I'm saying this, right? So I had a viral post in December. I had a viral post in December about my scar and everything. Until date, it still brings in followers. So like in a day, I get like 10 to 20 new followers, right? Now let me tell you the part that is really weird. It's making me anxious because I'm like, are people following me because of my scar? Are people following me? Like, why are people following me? I don't know if you guys get me, but it's just really crazy because my content is actually good. I just need to keep telling myself that and believe in myself. My content is actually good. I put work into my content. I put work into my quality. I use a phone to film currently, my iPhone 11, and it's not even the best. I was using a 13 before, but it's not even the best, but I put in the work, so I know what I'm talking about. I'm just really grateful. Honestly, I'm trying to take each day as it comes, and when I get anxious, I just tell God about it. Like, I don't want to feel anxious because I know I deserve the recognition I'm beginning to get. And I remember my friend Makeup Uzzy was telling me that the thing about going viral is you have to keep creating content so that when you eventually do go viral, there's something for the people to fall back on and look at, and that will bring in your following. So it's not just sorry, it's not just about that one content that goes viral. They need to see other content and say, oh yeah, this is what she's actually about. So you have to be consistent. And I really I don't know how to express how grateful I am that I have this crowd that I now have. And I won't even call it a crowd, I'll call it community, because I don't know these people, but I feel so comfortable chatting with them. A lot of people send me encouraging messages. Even on my YouTube, I've gotten like a ton, not a ton, but I've gotten subscribers, and I'm really just grateful for it. I'm grateful for them. And yeah, that's really all I wanted to say. I'm out of Bobogiri and I'm hungry, so I'm going to find somewhere to go and eat, and then I'll head home. Yeah. So I'm finally back home. Had my bath. I actually had to take down my clip-ins because I was tired. For the first time ever, I left my clip-ins on for a whole week. That's a lot, and I had to sleep with them. I didn't even bother wearing a bonnet or anything, but I've taken them out. I think I'm going to get a new hairstyle tomorrow, but yeah, that's for tomorrow when tomorrow comes. But I got some food to go from the place as usual, and you already know palm oil rice. But have you guys noticed that the place, their food is different everywhere? So if you're buying food from the place, like, it's going to be different from the place Ikoyi, and like the one on the mainland, they don't taste as good as the one on the island. That's one. The quantity as well, it's always so small on the mainland than on the island. I don't even understand what's going on. Personally, the best I've taken is the one in Lekki Phase 1. Also, when you buy from Jumia food, it's actually always so small. Like, can you guys see the portion from like my first vlog, and then look at this portion? It's a lot. Like, it's very weighty compared to when you buy online, and then you're literally paying more because you pay delivery, you pay service charge and all of that online. Like, I don't even understand. But you know what, I'm just gonna eat my food, rewatch the Goblin, the Guardian K-drama series. If you know, you know, and I will go to bed, and then tomorrow will take care of itself, because today I've tried for the week actually. So I'm shutting down after this. Hope you guys had a good week. The week wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad actually, but yeah, hope you guys had a good week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's the weekend. The cleaning I have done today, oh my god, it's a lot. Like, I really deep cleaned from upstairs to downstairs, and I'm weak. I have a couple of other things I want to do. Like, I want to get cat food for my cat, obviously. I also want to make like a little sauce that I can eat, because I'm not ready to cook like bulk food. And I wanted to create one content, but I don't think I have enough space to do that. But yeah, the fact that I've actually cleaned my whole house is just, it's just the icing on the cake. Do you understand? And I also need to get my hair redone. I think, I don't know if I want to just keep combing it, but I think I want to get it done today. That's if my baby's available. But yeah, basically that's it for this weekend. I don't know if I'm going out tomorrow. I'm obviously going to church, but I don't know if I'm going anywhere else. But yeah, let me go get something to eat because I'm hungry. dinner is served. So I made white rice with chicken curry sauce. And we've come to the end of this week's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.